So hello guys and welcome back. This is Harmonweb for stronger web identity, and today I'm going to be taking you guys on how you can design a catering website. You might have friends, even families in the catering business, and some of them might actually need a website. You can pitch this as an idea to them for them to get a website, increase their online digital presence for their business. Having a website for a catering job is actually another energy booster in this kind of digital world that we are, because there are a lot of people who go on the internet or go on Google to search for caterers around them, and with your website and having yourself around that kind of vicinity or people searching through, they're actually going to bump into your website for sure. And this is how you can design one without stressing yourself or needing to break the bank. So first of all, you need to do is just get your web hosting, your domain name from Harmonweb, and there's already ready-made videos on our YouTube channel on how to do that. We have our channel is loaded with different type of videos you might need in managing your website. There are lots of them around, so you can just go on it and watch it to learn how you can order your first web hosting and domain name. So I already got mine, as you can see right here, and I already have WordPress installed on my website. Also, if you want to learn how to install WordPress without taking much of our time, you can also go through our YouTube channel. You're going to see different videos on how on different ways in which you can install WordPress on your website to get started. And without not taking much of your time or making you go through those hookers, I'm going to leave the video link description in the video description below, so just do to check it out so you know how to proceed from here. So without not taking much of your time, I have my WordPress installed, so I'm already in my WordPress admin dashboard, and this is my website. So what's next you want to do after installation of WordPress? You should just go into your dashboard under appearances, come on to themes, wait for it to load. WordPress is actually a CMS, very easy to use, drag and drop almost everything you need without not taking much of your time. All you need is just determination, focusing, and trying to learn more. Okay, then you come on to add new theme. Then it's going to take you to this particular page where we have about 5,976 free WordPress themes that you can choose from to build different types of websites. But the one we're going to be using today is called Blocksy. This particular one is what we're going to be using among all other themes that have been provided for us today. This take a note of the name. Blocksy is the name. Okay, so that's what you want to click on install. Wait for it to install properly. Then after installation, what we need to do is to activate this particular theme on our website so we can get started. The amazing part about these themes are most of them already have ready-made websites for you, whereby you just have to import this website onto your own website. Then you just have to do a little editing to your taste by changing the image, the text, video content, or you can even make your own videos or content, make your graphics, and change it from what was given to you, or let me say imported on your website, to what you want or what you really think people are going to really love. So now let's activate this theme. Okay, our theme is activated. So after our installation, you're going to see this: thanks for installing Blocksy, you rock. We strongly recommend you to activate the Blocksy. This is actually a recommended companion, let me say recommended plugin, which is actually needed in order to be able to use this theme effectively. Let us reload our website first before installing that theme. You will see our website has already changed to a new design or templates. That's because we installed a new website theme on it. So now let's continue to install what was asked of us. Let's install the Blocksy companion. It will actually install and activate it. The reason is because so you can have access to custom extensions, demo templates, and many other more awesome features of these particular themes. It comes with a lot of things. As you can see now, right now, it has been activated successfully. Our website is still the same because we've not imported anything or tried to do anything yet. So from this you can manage color options, typography options, footer options, the header, blog option, post options, sidebar, and the page options. Apart from that, you have starter sites. Starter sites, here you can see ready-made websites for you that you can use. Some are free. These are actually pro, as you can see, pro, meaning they are premium. Let's take a preview at one of them to see what I'm trying to talk about. Meaning if you want to use this particular design or everything, you have to pay for this particular plugin, which is not really that much, about less than $100 is what you can get this from. Then you can get access to all of its premium features. Okay, so now this is an example of a ready-made template that's made for you that you can just import on your website and people can get to view this. All you need to do is just a little tweak, change your text options, as you can see, change different things, your logo and the rest, and you are good to go. These are house listings, and this is a real estate website. Okay, that's just a kind of preview of what we are having right here. As you can see, these are pro, while the rest are actually free, and there are different types of websites, from photo studio website to restaurant to a wood or carpentry to a renovation company website to a like a personal portfolio website, then to the catering, that's what we're going to be going through, to a barber shop, a business consultant, a gadgets website, home decor, cleaning service company, a car service company. We have of plant, service company, this different type, from web agency, wedding, justice, which is actually, let me say, a law firm, a personal portfolio, a yoga kind of studio website. This is also like a restaurant or the rest. So now, without taking much of our time, let's go back up where we saw catering. Now let me show you a preview first of our website. This website is going to change into something amazing as this. Can you see? This is so beautiful and amazing, so beautiful and amazing that even someone you're creating this for won't even take his time, much of his or her time going through everything. It's user responsive and user friendly. Okay, and this would not break the bank at all, so you're actually even making money. If you're a freelancer and a web designer, you know what I'm talking about. If someone comes to you for a website as beautiful as this, you know how much you'd probably charge. Okay, so what you want to do now without wasting much of your time is to come on and click on the import button. Then under the import, it tells you install child theme. I would actually recommend you to do this so you can, it has stated it, okay, so you can have a freedom to make changes without breaking the actual parent theme, which is the Blocksy theme. Okay, but as a professional, I don't really need this, and I can actually fix technical problems. But for you, can't actually really fix technical problems, and it's a complete beginner, you should actually probably install this child theme. So I'm gonna skip this and click on next. Then I'm going to use Elementor. I don't really like Gutenberg. Elementor has proven itself to be one of the best drag and drop WordPress page builder over the years. They've been existing for years, and we've been using this particular plugin to create different amazing websites, from sales page to funnels and different kind of has done really amazing things. So I would love you to use Elementor. It's very easy to understand and also user responsive. So I'll click on next. The next is to activate and install required plugins that I might need while designing my website. I'll click on next again because those have been selected already for you automatically while importing. So I'll click on next, then import content. Yes, you have to click on everything, and also don't forget to click on the clean install, so it will remove any previous imported content on your website. As this our website is fresh, you don't really need it, but still you are still going to need it in case if you installed let me say another, kind of mistakenly installed another design and you want to install another. So you can just use the clean install, so it can help you remove the previously imported contents or themes on your website and perform a fresh and clean installment. Okay, so now the next thing we're going to do now is to click on the install button and wait for this plugin, Blocksy companion plugin, to do its work by importing this already made website into our own website. Then we can just do a little tweaks from there and we are good to go. Okay, so now let's go back to our admin panel and then click on the install button. So let's wait for it to do its job. So yeah, our website has been imported successfully. So now let's just quit this and go back to our website, then reload to see the new changes on our website. To see, let's wait for it. It's reloading, and ta-da! That's it. Simple and very easy. You already have your website imported just like what you wanted. All you need to do is just do a few tweaks, change the links, change the images, text, videos, and you're all good to go, darling. Simple, very fast and efficient, doesn't waste time at all. So that's it. So comparing to what we have here and now what we have on our website, everything is already set and we are what? Good to go, good to go, good to go, good to go. Okay, great. I might just need to change this text. So next thing now is to learn how to edit your pages. So I'm already on my website right now. If you are already on the admin end and you want to edit, you can just simply click on the modify. The modify is actually to either remove or reinstall that particular template, but I'm needing none. So what I want to do right now is come onto my dashboard so it can reload everything and give me a view of what and what I might need. Okay, we already have this is one of the plugins that was installed during the installation. WP forms, we have the reservation form and also the newsletter sign up form, which is this is a newsletter. This right here is a newsletter form, something like this. You might see this on some websites. This is a newsletter form whereby you input your email address to get constant marketing emails or emails relating to about the website updates and all. Okay, then click on subscribe. So subscribe means you're giving them access to your email to send you time to time emails. Okay, so all you need to do is just either come onto your admin dashboard under appearance, then click on customize. That is to if you want to change your menu, the logo, a few footer text, footer menus, this text and the rest. But to edit your pages, let's come on to the about us page first. Let me use that as an example. Okay, this is the about us page, really looking amazing. This is the chef manager. This is kind of like our team. Okay, frequently asked questions, facts, sure. Let's go on to the services page too. We also have this is really crazy. Okay, first of all, in order to edit these pages, these are pages. Okay, these are what? These are pages. To edit pages, you can either come on to the particular page on your website, then click on this. You see edit with Elementor. Click on it to be able to customize your website with the Elementor plugin. You are going to see it at the right top of your website right here, or either you go into your WordPress admin dashboard, then come on to pages in the sidebar here. Come on to pages, then you want to click on all pages. Okay, there it is going to give you a loadout of all the pages you have available on your website. As you can see, this is the menu page, the contact us page, the about us page, then the service page. Then you can either just go on to which of them you want to edit. Like for example, I want to click on the services page. I'll just come on it like I'm hovering on that particular one, then I'm going to see edit with Elementor. Or if you click on the edit button right here, you're still going to see something like edit with Elementor, which should actually be like at the top right corner of your website here. Okay, then I'm wasting much of our time. I'm going to be using this straight edit with Elementor. Okay, our Elementor drag and drop page builder plugin is already loading up. Okay, your site doesn't have a default kit. Your site's like, okay, no stress, just recreate kit. That happens most of the times. The Elementor plugin, do have some kind of touch. Don't let me say touch in the head. Sorry. Okay, so let's do that again. We've created a kit, so everything should work perfectly now. And if it does not, that means there was actually some problems encountered while actually importing that particular template. So you might need to reinstall. Remove this and reinstall just using that simple modify button. So it's either you remove or you reinstall, and don't forget to perform a clean install. So without not wasting much of a time, this is our page, and now I want to start editing. Okay, this is the title bar services. Let me edit it and change it to our services. You can edit it directly from here or use the side provided editor bar, which gives you access to even more and more features where you can edit the content, the style, and also an advanced styling of this particular text that we have here, or any other compound parts that you might choose. As you can see, this is the navigator that shows you different parts on your website. Okay, so now, like I said, changing it to all services. Okay, that's great. So I want to scroll right down and see anything I want to change. I have to change this text, That's if I'm building for a real client. But this is just all the demo showing you how powerful WordPress is and how you can build without even breaking the bank or having to buy this and that online, or even having to pay a WordPress or website designer to do this for you. Okay, corporate events, you can just edit the text under wedding reception, birthday party, private party, anniversary celebration, social events. Even if you want to add more, you can just simply duplicate this part by simply right clicking, then you see duplicate. Then when you scroll down, you're going to see another section of what you have up here. All you need to do is just edit the text, the icons to other services that you might want to add, and you can also delete these containers. You can see I have the delete button, and poof, it's gone. Let's delete all this too. Poof, all gone. They're all gone. Psh, you have this and this. Simple as A, B, C. Scrolling down also, we have different things also. If you want to change all this, you can do that by yourself, and this is an online form. Like I said, there were two plugins, which was the Elementor and the WP Forms. The WP Forms controls the contact form. It basically controls any types of forms. It's one of the best WordPress forms ever that has been used from time to time and ages to come. Okay, so for this particular form, the reservation form has been created, which you can actually edit to your taste. You can add other things to it, or select a new form by creating a new form from your admin panel here. This is the WP Forms. Click on add new or view all your forms. You can view your form entries also from here. So that is that basically on how you can design or catering websites using WordPress. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch other videos so you can learn how to manage your website effectively, even without having to or needing a web designer, or let me say someone who is more familiar with coding. Our YouTube channel is loaded with lots of tutorial videos that is going to help you manage your website effectively. See you next in my next episode of what we're going to be building with WordPress. Thank you. Harmonweb for stronger web identity.